Right, you're right.
At Hunex, we also constantly strive to improve every aspect of bee existence. These bees are just testing a new helmet technology.
What did you do?
Not enough.
And here we have our latest advancement, the Krillman.
Wow, what does that do?
Catches that little strand of honey that hangs after you pour it. Saves us millions.
Can anyone work on the Krellman?
Of course, most bee jobs are small ones, but bees know that every small job, if it's done well, means a lot. But choose carefully, because you'll stay in the job that you pick for the rest of your life.
The same job for the rest of your life? I didn't know that.
What's the difference?
And you'll be happy to know that bees as a species haven't had one day off in 27 million years.
So you'll just work us to death?
We'll sure try.